Oh, hey, I didn't see you guys sitting there. Sign up, but what's good, y'all? What's good, YouTube? It's your boy JD Official Gamer here, and I'm here with my first ever. No, not ever. But I'm here with my first YouTube video, and I'm super excited now. I don't know if y'all can see it on my face. And the game we gonna be playing is Wukong. Let's get into this gameplay, and I'm gonna catch y'all on the next scene. Peace. You see how deep they pulled up? Look at that. What did I do? What did I do to... Oh yeah, flying Nimbus. Yeah. I know you. Oh, he getting straight to business. We getting straight to business off rip. Whoa, look at that. Damn. Oh my God, he's ginormous. I literally hope we can fight every single one of these, because that'll be dope. That'll be dope. And they got the army out. Oh my God. I must be a threat. They gotta pull up with 5 gods in the army. I must be a threat. What did I do? Well, I'm gonna find out.
My master. Safe. The scriptures. Sound. All I ever wanted was a life in my mountain, free from you and your so-called merits. Those high above don't trust me. I understand that. And they send you and those knuckleheads to threaten me. To obey and serve once more.
He said he not going back. He definitely not going back.
That too. But what I don't understand is you bastards killing my kind.
I ain't know all that. What they do? What do they do? They killed his whole kind, like everybody. That's crazy if you did. I wouldn't go back either. You killed my whole kind. I'm not going back. I'm sorry. I'm just not going back. You can't hate me for that. You can't force me to come back. Like, nah.
Stay back, stupid dog.
Oh, so you decided to come down and get your butt whooped.
Mark,
Come on.
he's not just any monkey. He's a monkey of merit. A monkey was made Buddha once. None other than me can challenge him to a duel. Look, monkey. I don't make a habit of fighting someone I've bested before.
I ain't trying to hear that. I'm not trying
Here's
to hear
my
that.
offer. If you lose, I'll take you to the Celestial Court. They will stay and level your mountain. But if I lose, I shall certainly take revenge, and they will level your mountain nonetheless. How tragic would that be, huh? You are one of the court. We don't need to resort to violence.
I'm not coming back, so we might have to. I ain't coming back with
bend
you.
the knees, admit the wrongs, and we can put this behind us.
Y'all hear this guy? He talking to us and he think we finna go back? No. Why? No, it's not
All
that.
these years, Except for that pig. You're the one who talks the tallest tales. Good. I am entertained.
Yep. Yep.
Speaking of entertainment, wouldn't it be fun if I pluck your extra eye out for my snack and allow you to keep the other two?
It would be fun, though.
Because I'd
I'm
hate
just
to
saying.
let you miss how I'll slaughter each mongrel of the court. Those below, those above, and that black mutt of yours.
Oh yeah, talk your stuff. Talk your stuff.
All of you.
Over the game, coach. Over the game. Come on. Come on. Show me the ropes. Show me the ropes. Show me the ropes. What's up? Okay. Okay. Oh, you're not hitting me. Come here. Come on. What's up? What's up? What you got? What you got? Ooh. Oh yeah, I don't think he's getting hit off here. Oh, never mind. Hold on. He just smacked me. Wait. Hold on. Oh yeah, let me hit you with this. My fault. Come here. Nope. Oh. Oh. Yeah, see me out here.
The victorious fighting
Oh, he
Buddha.
cold.
Have
He
you
thought
any
that was
idea
good.
how
He
many
cold.
would give
He
their
cold.
everything for immortality?
Immortality. For that word, all realms and beings have ruined themselves.
Oh, yes sir. Yup. Oh wait, I got abilities? Oh! Oh, wait a minute. Okay. Oh, hey, that's cold. That's cold. What you doing? What you doing? What's the move? Oh, what is that move? Yeah, jumping. Fight back. I didn't even mean to do that. What's this one? I don't know what that was. Nope. Yeah. Oh my god. This turned into Dragon Ball Z. God. Oh my god. Do you not see how hard they're going right now? Oh my. How they go jump me? That's not fair. Now they go jump me? That's not fair. I'm trying to run my ones. Let me run my ones. And I'm gonna come to each next opponent.
Taste my axe!
Ooh. Oh my god. He was trying to kill me. Hold on, he hawking him right now. Go. You better go. He behind you. He hawking him down. Go. Oh, the little crown. I noticed that. I recognize the little crown. I seen it. Oh my god. Oh my god. I know he hurting. He gotta be hurting after that. Ain't no way. You just got impaled with a lightning strike or whatever that was and slammed into the mountain. I know he hurting.
I needed a snack.
Oh, whoa.
Dad,
Substitution jutsu?
I'll make sure you make
This Naruto? Oh yeah, put me in the game. Oh yeah, we here. We here. Whoa! Don't jump me. Don't jump me now. Don't jump me now. Come on, I just want to hit you with this.
No matter how many times you come around,
They gotta learn their lesson.
still as mischievous as
Oh, you can
ever.
sprint with that button. I did not know that. I'm going in here with 0 deaths. Watch this. No deaths this whole video. Watch this. I'm a man of my word, and I got y'all. Watch this. No death. I'm gonna put the death counter right below me, and y'all go see 0 death by the end of this episode. If I get 0 deaths by the end of this episode, I need like at least like 20 likes, 10, 20 likes. If I get 0 deaths by the end of this video, watch this. Hold on. Is this a boss already? It's a boss. Come on. Oh, that's a lot. Nope. Ooh. Come on, man. If this the game, then yeah, no deaths. I told y'all. Yeah, no deaths. I literally just told y'all a couple minutes ago. And that was not gonna be my first one. Oh, I didn't even realize I had a stamina bar. I did not realize that at all. Which I probably should reconsider. I'm gonna be considerate about it. Oh, man, what's up? What's up? You running at me? What's up, bro? You running at me? Whoa, hold on. What's up? Come on, I didn't even want to mess with you, but you just ran at me like I did something. Come on, hit you with this charge up. Hit you with that. Oh yeah, got you on your back. I like it. That's how I like it. Come on. Oh yeah. Hey, I'm finna hit you in your head. Oh. Oh. Oh my God.
It's been a while, but the
He kinda
immobilized
smacked.
spell still works
Kinda ugly.
like a
You
charm.
look ugly.
Since you hail from Mount Huagro, it won't hurt to teach you a handy trick.
I'm gonna need that. That's a
Now,
handy
here
trick.
we go.
That's a handy trick right there. I'm
Give
gonna need
me
that.
your hand.
Immobilize spells. A simple hand gesture can bind the enemy in place. Yeah,
There you
I needed
go.
that.
Should you come across any mysteries,
That's probably the first one I would have chose
just
too.
point your finger at them and release this spell.
Okay,
The young
let's go.
boys these days
Come
know
on.
no manners.
Where were
Fear
we?
not. Teach them a lesson with your new spell.
Sit still. Sorry about that. Come on. I'll give you the combo. Good. Oh, you back on your stomach for me? Man, it's not your stomach. Your back? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. No. Oh. Oh my God. Do y'all see me? Do y'all see me out in this field? Come on. Open self-advance to awaken talent. Yeah. Let's go. I need that shrine. I needed that. Appreciate it. First, let me rest. Let me rest. You always have to rest. And I got some more sparks. I got 2 sparks. I can upgrade the ability. Each talent level moderately increases damage dealt to immobilized enemies. Hitting an immobilized enemy with light attack slightly extends the duration of the next immobilization inflicted on them. I kind of like this one. What? Yeah, I need one. I need one. Get some health on that. Let me know if I'm using these sparks wrong though. Let me know what I should be putting them to. Right now, I'm thinking stamina and health is important for right now as I start. But yeah, let me know.
Hey, wait! You don't think you can just parade in, do you?
Yeah, that's what I was
It's
doing
not
the
that
first place.
simple. Let me transform you into a golden cicada so you may follow the fires ahead and scout this mountain unnoticed. Fly!
Oh, I gotta fly around unnoticed.
It might be humble, but my shrine is very versatile. You'll get it soon.
Alright, let's go. What did he say? He said, I'm gonna play this off stream, man.
There are secrets.
I'm gonna play this off stream,
Cicada
man.
form, they help you
Yo,
explore.
what's good? I'm buzzing the ear.
This form
Can you
does
feel
not
me?
last forever.
Can you feel it?
Find yourself lost. Just
No?
follow my
Can
voice.
you feel it? I'm buzzing the ear. I know it's annoying.
Lord Lingshu might make a meal out
Okay.
of us. He might
It's
not
over
know,
here.
but a shapeshifter is on his way here.
Nothing. Nothing. Nothing over here either. Nothing. Oh, I can't even go that way. Oh, you got treasure. I'm gonna sneak and get the treasure if you don't mind. Hold on, I gotta do something. Oh, come here. Dang, hold on. I'm dodging. I'm dodging. Come here. You ain't gonna be my first death. You're nothing but a bot. You're a bot. You're an NPC. You're not. Oh my god. Why was he tearing me up like that? Somebody explain why I was getting tore up like that. This big baby. Y'all see this big baby right here? Oh, wait. I know he gonna be on some crazy stuff. Chill. Yeah. Yep. Come on. Let's go. Let me hit you with this too. Come here. Oh! Hold on. Chill. Well, you know what they say. Second time's the charm. Yep, that's what they say. It ain't. I ain't come up with that on the spot. That's what they say. Nah, I can't go out like that though. Yeah, sit right there, fam. Come here. Oh yeah, Wukong, get him. Get him, Wukong. Come here. Whoa. Come here. Oh, let me get out. You big baby. Come here. Yes. Pause. Yeah. Oh yeah. I ain't never got this many hits off. Oh. Woo! I never got this many hits off. Yeah, I'm ready for that. Oh yeah, come here. Oh my god. Come here. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Ooh. Come here. Ooh. Oh, you get back from me? Yeah, this one right here. Oh, what is that? Did he just shoot a key blast out his hand? Can we talk? Yep. Yeah. Get hit with this though. Oh my god. Watch out! It can reach right over here. Watch out! Oh yeah. Yup. Yep. I dodged. When he went like this, he swung his body this way, but I dodged that though. What's up? Come on. Woo! Sit still. Comboing him without looking at the camera. Look at him. Stop playing. Look, he hurt. He hurt. Come here, I'm gonna knock your ass out. Sorry, I had to let out some steam. Here. Let's go. I'm getting it this time. Watch this. Dang! Whoa! Whoa! Back up. No! No! Yeah. Back up. Get out of here. Why did that hit me? Oh! Ooh! Bro, I just comboed this man up. Oh, y'all see me out here. Y'all see me. Back up. Sit still. Heal. It's your chance. Do not blow it. Nope, I ain't getting greedy. That's a first mistake. That's a rookie mistake. I don't make rookie mistakes. Nope. I'm sorry. I got a little too excited. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, y'all. I just got a little too excited. I'm sorry. But y'all see me. Come on. Y'all see me. That's what I do. That's what I do. Hey. Come on. Cannot exert spirits without guidance. Yeah, I just guided him to the
Backyard is Blackwind Gwai's ally. Calls itself Ling Schutzer. Considering your strength, I suggest you get away while you can.
Is that a wolf? I can craft armor. Oh, I'm getting a drip too. I'm getting a drip. Look at me. Well, I ain't get the whole thing yet. I gotta get some yarn. That's what it said. Yo. What is that? Rain Goozy. What the? Oh! Are you running? You running? Oh, I got it running. Boom! You can sit still. Thank you. Appreciate it. Thank you. Thank you for the hit. Thank you. Ooh. What's up? What's up? What you gonna do? Ding! Ooh! You see how fast he just got right there? Chill. Hold on. Wait till my spell get back. You're gonna be sorry. Like I said. Come on! First try! That's first try! Come on! See me out there!
Now that it's dead,
Y'all see me!
well, take a
I'm
good
not gonna put this on. What's this? Hold on. Look at me. Yes, sir. Yup. Yup. That's what I'm gonna do to you. I feel like this is a great spot to end the video. We got 2 bosses in and 2 mini bosses in here. I had a lot of fun playing this, and I'm gonna have more fun continuing playing this. Wait, what? I really appreciate y'all for joining me and watching this video. I hope y'all like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, I'm gonna be back with a part 2 for sure. That's coming out for sure. And yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll catch y'all in the next video. Peace.